Assalamu alaikum guys. I have visited in dead areas where the people are flooded by flood. You can see that, but now the flood is insiding days by days. I think 3 foot or 4 foot maybe with the insiding, but now the situation is going out of control and the difficulties of people are increasing days by days, and so that's why there is no electricity and the homes have been demolished in this area and people are living in difficult circumstances. And guys, you can see that some children are swimming and they are making a picnic party, but they don't know what are the difficulties of the flooded. Inundated areas has been demolished and from behind you can see that these areas was the full of some fields like as some gardens and some grass, and each and everything has gone. And inshallah in coming days the days will be better for the Pakistani people. Today I am in Multan where the flood has demolished each and everything, so that's why there are no chances to come the other floods from the India, and because when the dams are out of control in India, so that's why there is a huge water from their dams that it becomes a flooded in Pakistan. Guys, the people are under the open sky without homes. They are living on this road and facing for the tremendous difficult situation. The people have evacuated their homes, their business, each and everything. Now they are living on this road. Guys, you can assess about this flood in Multan, Pakistan. Guys, I think more than 4 crore people are living under the poverty. Guys, the media has come here, they are taking an interview. So many days are required for recover their homes, their business. Guys, it's a very difficult, tremendous difficulties for these people, because their profession is just farming and animal husbandry. Now the situation how will be in the future, because they were gone behind some years. Guys, the flood has inside now, but now you can see this wall, all wall our homes was covered with the water. This home is situated on the bank of canal, but there is also damaged by flood. Guys, in this flood I think more than 800 people have been died.